Hey there, boy. Mom took the girls to the ballet tonight, so it's just you and me, kid.
Sure, Dad.
So set up the TV trays and let's get started. You want the frozen fish nuggets or the pork-a-roni?
Well, it's a toss-up, Dad.
I got an idea. Let's mix them together smorgasbord style. Voila! Fish pork-a-roni a la Simpsons.
Dad, would it be too late for me to catch a bus to the ballet?
Where'd he go? Bart! 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 Bart!
Here I am.
Eat.
Yuck, tastes like dog food.
Bart!
Does eating dog food turn you into a dog?
Bart!
Well, that answers that question.
You're not touching your fish pork nuggets-a-roni, boy. Whoops! Dropped my fork. Finished already?
Lick the plate clean.
Good, 'cause there's plenty more where that came from.
We're home. The ballet was divine. Oh, it was just What's that smell? Oh, look at that. Our own two husky men snuggled together on the couch.
Pass that bucket of fish pork and nuggets-a-roni this way.
Come on, man. No nuggified fish porklets. Oh,
Isn't
no.
that sweet?